Hi, my name's Ben, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to divide mentally using the constant ratio method. This is a really valuable method for dividing mentally, especially when we deal with decimals, as we will later. Okay, we have two questions. 100 divided by 10 equals 10, and 10 divided by 1 equals 10. Now it's useful to ask the children what they notice, is different, is the same. Hopefully they'll tell you that the answers are both the same, and then it'll take a little bit of probing to go a bit deeper. And they should be able to see that 10 is 10 times smaller than 100, and that 1 is 10 times smaller than 10. They've both been reduced by the same scale factor, and that's the constant ratio method. Let's look again. Here we have two other questions, a little bit trickier, but again, the answer is the same. So we have 12 divided by 2, which equals 6, and 36 divided by 6, which also equals 6. This time, get the children to explore the numbers and see what they can talk about in their partners and see what happens. And they can see that now that 36 is 3 times larger than 12, and 6 is 3 times larger than 2. Now we can get into the decimals. At first glance, this question, 3 divided by 0.6, which equals 5, is taxing. And a lot of children will be scared by that at first. Let's play around with the numbers. Let's increase them by a scale factor, and it will help. So here, we multiply 3 by 10 to get 30, and we multiply 0.6 by 10 to get 6. 30 divided by 6 is a much friendlier equation, and the children will be able to solve that one straight away. And they can see that by using the constant ratio and the same scale factor, they get the same answer of 5. Finally, one more. Let's look at involving money questions. So we have £1.50 divided by 5 equals a number, and we have £3 divided by 10. If you ask children which of the two they would prefer the bottom one. Divided by 10 is a lot easier. And you can see that to get from £1.50 to £3, you double it, or you times it by 2. And therefore, the constant ratio, we do the same here. So we look at 5 times 2 to get 10. And now we've got £3 divided by 10 is 30 pence. And the same for £1.50 divided by 5. What you have to do in money is you have to make sure that it's 30 pence rather than 0.3. And that's how you can use the constant ratio method to solve division problems.